Ruta po natin sir ay Skyway. Ay, doon ka na lang sa walang bayad po kasi sa Waze sir.
Hindi naman ako
33
nagmamadali.
minutes lang ang Skyway. 1 hour naman po yung walang bayad. Ayan, no problem yan boss. Pauwi na ako. Kahit matagalan, okay lang. Oh, pasensya na sir. May rules po kasi tayo na GPS recommended route ang dapat sundin. Passenger discretion ang masusunod. So, alam mo,
kasi
driver din ako.
rules eh. 2016 pa.
Ikaw,
2017 lang eh.
wala akong pakialam sa rules ko yun. Basta hindi mo pwedeng pagbayadin. Kung ayaw ko kasi, dapat tinawagan mo muna ako. Sir, sabi ko kasi ng guidelines, sabihan lang
ayaw
ang pasahero kung dadaan sa toll, kung nasa pick up na.
Diskarte ka kasi, hindi puro rules lang yung sinasabi mo. Pag ayaw ng pasahero, cancel mo.
Paano kayo makakasakay sir kung lahat ng driver tatawag po sa inyo muna?
Ako, may kukuha rin yan. Yung mga driver na ayaw mag-cancel tulad mo,
Hindi mo rin naman ako mapipilit yung bayad. Sakto lang pera ko. Sakto lang lagi dinadala ko. Ganun po ba? Sige sir, ako na lang po magbabayad.
Frequently asked questions. Are toll fees included in quoted fare in the app? No, toll fees are not part of the fare shown on Thief and must be paid separately at the toll booth.
Your destination may require passing through highways with tolls, so please coordinate with your driver on your route and corresponding toll fees to prepare beforehand. Ensure a seamless drop-off for all Grab Food, and Grab Express bookings.
Ensure your drop-off location is accurate and safe before booking.
All our drivers are trained to follow the route suggested by the GPS, no detours or pit stops, unless you are using the multi-stop ride feature only for Grab rides. If you need to alight at a different drop-off point, please use our change drop off point feature only for Grab rides.
Ride safe, Peps.